So, President Trump just dropped another market moving bombshell, saying he might announce a new Federal Reserve chair by the end of the year to replace Jerome Powell. Yeah, Powell, the guy steering America's interest rates like a cautious dad on black ice while Trump's been yelling faster from the back seat since 2018. Now, if this sounds familiar, it's because Trump and Powell's relationship has always been, let's say, more toxic situationship than partnership. Trump picked Powell himself back in 2017, then spent the next 3 years publicly roasting him for not cutting rates fast enough. At one point, Trump literally tweeted that Powell was a bigger enemy than China. Ah, yes, the golden age of fiscal diplomacy, one tweet at a time. And the comment section is pure gold. One user goes, "That's still too far away," apparently waiting for markets to pump faster. Another says, "Doesn't matter who deals the cards, the deck's still rigged." Poetic, but also kinda true. Someone else chimes in, "Doing so will only increase economic volatility," while another adds, "Trump never liked Powell much. Wonder who he'd pick that's more dovish." And then there's the crypto crowd cheering, "Just announce it already. My bags are ready to moon." Basically, half the internet's predicting economic chaos, the other half's praying for a bull run. So what's really happening here? Trump, the self-proclaimed dealmaker, might be laying the groundwork for a new Fed boss who dances to his tune, or maybe just flexing before election year headlines. Either way, Powell's chair is starting to feel a little wobbly, and if Trump actually keeps his word this time, well, yeah, markets might just lose their minds.